Welcome once again to Naya Chef. Today we are going to prepare a most popular item, that is paneer. So we all used to purchase paneer from supermarket, hypermarket. Today we are going to see how we can prepare paneer at our own house or on our own home, especially for the beginners. I think it will be helpful for all. So let's see the preparation of the paneer. Before that, please subscribe Naya Chef and please press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you can get all the notification posted by Naya Chef. So let's go through the ingredients needed for this recipe. The first thing is milk. I have taken 1 liter of milk. If it is high fat milk, it is very good. So you can get a nice quantity of paneer. So you have to take, I have taken 1 liter of paneer. For 1 liter of paneer, I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd. Usually most of the people used to do it with lemon juice, but I prefer curd. This is ice water, or else you can use ice cube. So these are the ingredients. So next thing you need is a vessel like this, which can exactly fix the strainer like this. If you don't have this type of strainer at your house, you can use big juice strainer you will be getting. You can use that or else any other strainers with the hole like this. It's just to strain water. And then what you need is a cloth like this. Usually we used to make it with cheese cloth, but I have taken one normal white cloth. You can take any cotton cloth, nicely washed and dried and kept like this. It should be dipped in water. Just dip in water and squeeze it. It should be wet like this. That's all. Okay. These are the items required. Now we can see the preparation. Now switch on the stove and place this milk over it, and this milk should boil well. Okay. Use a wooden spoon or normal spoon like this and just give a stir. It should boil. I will show you after boiling. Now we can see that my milk started boiling. See. So keep in low flame. Now add curd. Just add and stir it till the milk become curdles. Stir slowly, okay? So started curdling, you can see. Started curdling. I'm adding 1 more spoon of curd. Enough. Now just mix it, don't over mix, then paneer will become into small pieces. Just mix it. You can see started curdling. Keep for 2 minutes. See, after 2 minutes my milk is curdled very well. So at this time you can switch off the stove. Now add ice water or ice cubes into it. Why we are adding this is, after this we have to squeeze it. So it will be very hard. So to minimize the heat, I used ice cube or ice water. According to your opinion you can take. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Now it is in medium heat. I am transferring this into this strainer. If it is a thick fat milk, you can get good quantity of paneer. So transfer this. If you have extras, please put it like this. Then what you have to do is, you have to strain it You don't press here, okay? Just strain it like this. That's all. Now press it like this and place a heavy weight like this. I have used this because I have this grinding stone. If you don't have this, just you can take any marble chapati roller you will be getting, right? If you have this, if you have that, you can place that. Otherwise, you would be having this type of containers in your house. Just fill fully with water, okay? Close it and keep above this. It should be heavy. Some heavy things you have to keep it. Only then all the liquid, extra water in this will be drained off and you will get a perfect shape. So I will be keeping this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will show you how our paneer is. Now 30 minutes is over. 25 to 30 minutes maximum time. Don't keep beyond that, okay? Then it will be so hard. Now I am removing it. You can see our paneer is, our homemade paneer is. See, paneer is ready. You can see it. I will place it in a plate. How soft it is. Now I will cut and show you. Now I will cut it. You can see. See how soft it is. And make into pieces. See. You can see the texture. See how soft it is. Can cut all this into pieces. I will show you after cutting this into pieces. Now our paneer is ready. You can see the exact paneer which you get in supermarket, hypermarket, everywhere. So it is not frozen, it is homemade. You can try this. Even for beginners you can do this. It's very simple. Even if you don't have lemon or lemon juice in your house, you can do it, because curd is available in all houses. Ice cube will be there. Only thing is milk. Only requirement is milk. So you can do this recipe in your house, your homemade paneer. Then prepare whatever recipe you need with this paneer, paneer butter masala or paneer, whatever you need, you can prepare and save it for your family members. They will be happy. So please try this recipe and post your comments in the comment box and tell me how it came and how you feel by preparing this paneer. So please post your comment in the comment box. Please subscribe Nair Chef. Please support Nair Chef by sharing and liking. See you again with a super and duper recipe in the forthcoming videos. Till then, it's bye.